Okay, guys, my name is Julius Koske. On this series, I will be teaching you today about fundamentals of geometry. Okay, uh, geometry has to have a foundations, has to have fundamental for you to tackle geometry well. In today's lessons, I will be tackling two things. Okay, I will be showing you how to structure a fraction from proper fraction to improper fraction. Okay, and I will show you what is improper fraction and what is proper fraction. And then after that, I will show you how to reduce a fraction to the lowest term possible. Okay, to reduce a fraction to the lowest term possible is making sure you break a fraction so that it is simplest. Like for example, if it is a big numbers, you reduce it. By reducing it to its simplest fraction, it will help you to do more calculation. Okay, and then we will go deeper into combining rational numbers. Okay, combining rational numbers is like combining fraction plus a fraction, this fraction plus this fraction, or this fraction divided by this fraction. Okay, by understanding all those concepts of improper changing proper fraction to improper fraction will help you to do a lot of calculations. Reducing a fraction to its simplest form is another big concept, and then combining fractions will be the lesson of today. Okay, uh, join me as we start this. Okay, right straight to the point. Let's jump into our editor here, and I will not be typing. I will be writing on my board here, and I'm fairly sure you will enjoy. Okay, give me a moment for me to prepare my screen here, and then I will make sure the screen is good, the board is clear, and then I will minimize my video. Okay, so first let's understand what is improper fraction. Okay, first, what is proper fraction? Proper fraction is a fraction which has been balanced. Okay, so for example, this is a proper fraction. Okay, 3 2 over 4 over 3, that's a proper fraction. Okay, these are proper fraction. Whenever we say improper fraction, that's when this number here is bigger than this other number. Okay, for example, if we want to convert this one to improper fraction, you say that will be 11 over 3. Okay, that is called improper fraction. Okay, so let me give you let me clear here and write you a small expression. Okay, let's say express 1 over 3 as an improper fraction. Okay, so let me change the color of let me go with black. Okay, how do you solve this one, guys? These improper fractions, or to express this one into an improper fractions, there's a formula. Okay, and this is not, you know, a formula that you need to cram. Okay, let's take for example a b over c. Okay, a stand for 2, b stand for 1, and c stand for 3. Okay, so with this, what you need to understand is, for you to express this one into an improper fraction, you do like this. Okay, c multiply by a plus b over c. Okay, in other words, 2 multiplied by, no, 3 multiplied by 2 plus 1 over the denominator will be 3. Therefore, this and this will be 6 plus 1 over 3. That means it will be 7 over 3. So this is improper fraction. Improper fraction. Okay, cool. All right, let's continue. Oh, sorry, I think my my screen is hiding some stuff. So the answer is actually it is 6 plus 1 over 3, which is 7 over 3. This is the improper fraction. Okay, so let's do another one. Clear my window. Get another one. Let's clear that. Okay, so another one is express 4 over 7 as an improper fraction. Okay, so again, let me change the color of my, let's go with blue. All right, so again, the formula, using the formula a b over c. As we say, c a plus b over c. Okay, where's c and where's b and where's a? Okay, in this case, let's go 5 4 over 7. That means 7 times 5 plus 4 over 7. That means 7 times 35 plus 4. 7 times 5, 35 plus 4, 39 over 7. So therefore improper fraction of 5 4 over 7 is equivalent to 39 over 7. So this is important, guys, because whenever you'll be doing picker calculation down the road, you'll not be using this part here for calculation. So you have to change to proper improper fraction. So by understanding this will be very, very helpful. Okay, so let's do one more. Okay, so let's do the reverse. Okay, let's do the reverse. Let's convert. So let's do the other way around. Okay, express the improper fraction 9 over 2 as a mixed number. Okay, so that's our equation today. Let's change the color. So how do you do this? Okay, this one is easy. What you do is you divide. Okay, so you say 9 over 2. So you divide 9 by 2. It's like saying 9, 2. Okay, so that's equivalent to 9 go to 4. It's because of 8. 1. How many is left? 1. That means it is 4 and a half. Okay, that is a proper fraction. Okay, so that when you convert this one to improper, you say 2 times 4 plus 1 over 2. That means it is 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9 over 2. Therefore, if you change this one into a mixed fraction, you get 4 and a half. Okay, cool. So, and there's a lot, for your homework. You can do try to change express 18 over 7 as a mixed fraction as practice, so that's your homework. Do bigger number, for example, express 43 over 5. That's as the same thing. Okay, so the easiest one, like for example, if I have to do 23 over 5, so what you do is you say 5/23. This one goes 23 divided by 5 is equal 4 because of 20 remainder 3. So this is the remainder, then means it is 4 this one and 3 over 5. Okay, so do this one and do this one if you don't mind. So maths is practice. Okay, so let's do another big concept of reducing. Okay, this is a big concept. Reducing is something big. Okay, if you have a big fraction, what you need to do is you make it to the simplest term possible. Okay, let's say we have a 20 and 5. So 24, let's say 5 and 5 divided by 20. So 5 and 20, they are divisible to each other. So 5, 1 and 24 is a quarter. Okay, so let's do some let me clear the board, which is good. So let's reduce. Let's say do reduction. Reduce the fraction 24 over 180 to lowest term. To lowest terms. Okay, so sorry, I need to make sure I minimize myself so that I don't have to block this, and I can even take myself out so that you can have a big screen. You don't have to see my face all the time. Okay, so how can we do this? So we reduce, let's reduce 24 divided by 8. So we say 24 divided by 180. Okay, the easiest way to do, the easiest for this, and I'm taking this one for somebody who doesn't know much about maths. So you reduce this by checking what is common on denominator and numerator. Okay, the numerator and denominator of the simplified fraction are once again even numbers. Okay, in this case. Okay, so if you don't know the factors which can go this one, you go with the simplest for the common factors which divide both this one and this one is, let me change the color so that it will be easier for you to differentiate. Okay, so let's do 24 divided by 2 over 180 divided by 2. That make it 24 divided by 2, 12. 180 divided by 2, 90. Okay, again 90. 12 divided, let me give you room. Okay, so that means it will be 12 over 90. You can see these 3 still add a common denominator, a common factor for both. So you say 12 divided by 3 over 90 divided by 3. That means this one is 4 over what? 30. Okay, we can see 2 still divided by 2 still divide both 30 and 4. So you say that will be 4 divided by 2 over 30 divided by 2. That means it is 2 over 15. So in this case we've got 2 over 15 is a reduction of this. Okay, this one already reduced to this. This is so important. Okay, and this is important for you to do a lot of mathematics down the road. Okay, make sure you understand what it goes, and make sure if you don't understand division, practice division until you get it, so that you don't have to waste time with this. So for somebody who know much about division, you could say 24 divided by 180. That will be by 24, 2 by 24, 15. Okay, easy like that. Okay, awesome. Or by 12, something like that. So guys, this is very important things in mathematics, and I want to encourage you to practice more on this. On the next video we will learn much about combining rational numbers. Okay, combining rational numbers will be mostly numbers that I know it will be helpful as far as doing a lot of calculation. Okay, again on the next video we will be dwelling on combining rational numbers. Okay, to give you an heads up of what I mean by combining rational numbers is, for example, if you have 4 and 3 plus 11 and 12. Okay, those are called combining rational numbers. Okay, again, this video is getting long, and I will see you next. Okay, thank you so much.